Hi guys, tracing this handwoven boho style lamp for reviewing purposes. It's a hanging lamp, okay, as you can see. Comes with all the pieces that you need to install. These rods are for the ceiling, okay. The instructions and the proper main unit, okay. Okay, as you can see, it's a simple unit. Okay, you just pull it in like this. It's just one unit and you place it with the lampshade. So it doesn't require that much installation. It's just some screws and that's all. So I think it's really, really nice. And here we got the ceiling fixture. Okay, let me take it out. It's golden, it looks really, really nice. And you can place it on slope ceilings if you need it, okay, which I think it's a nice option. It also comes with all the nuts and screws it needs, okay, and I think it's really, really nice. So as I've said, it looks amazing. As you can see, the hand woven rattan style, it's really beautiful. And let's go ahead and start installing it, okay, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. As you can see, it's really beautiful, really beautiful. And as I've said, it's just a main unit, so if you place the light bulb holder, you just almost take everything off and you don't have to assemble this part, okay? Which I think it's really, really nice. It's really for installation, some screws and everything. You can adjust different heights, okay? As you can see, it has different extension rods, which I think it's perfect. This way, I can, well, select the highness. I just select it like this because I like a lot how it looks, and it's amazing. The hand woven boho style finish is really beautiful, and I think it's a great lamp for your bedroom, your dining room, where you want to place it. I think it will look amazing, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.